Hey guys, today we're gonna do my makeup tutorial video. You guys keep asking my other videos and I just haven't gotten around to it yet, but we do have some extra time today. For reference, this is what it usually looks like. Okay, I kind of love using this thing because it just keeps my hair out of my face. I think I got it literally just off Shein, but yeah, it's super cute. And then this is like the concealer I use, and then you just go under your eyes, and then like I do like 3 dots. That was not very effective, but you get the gist. Then obviously just blend it. Sorry, I ended that video early. And then for my eyebrows, I just kind of like pop it up at the end, and then I do the front, and that's pretty much it. So it kind of just looks like this after. And keep in mind, all this stuff I do is very trust the process. It's very specific to my features. And then for my nose, I kind of just like go like that and blend it. Not much. That's pretty much all I do. And yeah, then just like a little white, like but yeah, just kind of blend it. Yeah, my makeup is actually very specific to my features, so I'm sorry if this doesn't work on you. It's taken me years to just like find something that fits me. Well, this is the blush that I use. It's CoverGirl something, I don't even know. I need to blend it better, but yeah. Now time for my lip combo. You guys are probably excited for this one. I literally just use this. It's from Shein. It's pretty self-explanatory, just along the edges. And then I go over my Cupid's bow. It's a pretty similar color, but this is what it looks like. And then I use this lip tint from Bath & Body. It's one of the darkest ones, but I go very lightly. Just over my lips, like so. And then you kind of just got this darker color. For my lash routine, I use this to comb my lashes, this to curl my lashes, and then mascara. So you just comb them up. Oh my gosh, I just rewatched that. This is the reality of lashes. They're all different lengths by a lot. Okay, then the other side. It really just kind of completes the look, honestly. Sometimes I'll go in with like eyeshadow. I really don't get fancy at all. I just do like some brown, because I think that this like brownish color kind of just brings out the green in my eyes. My eyes are hazel, but yeah, it really just brings out the green and gives some dimension. Okay, but this is kind of the final look. I do apologize because this video is way longer than I wanted it to be, but this is also like I use this for moisturizer before I do my makeup. I totally forgot, but I highly recommend. It's so good. I use these for like my hands, neck, body, especially my neck. It smells so good. They're from Bath & Body Works. They're everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It just looks like this. I just did this video for those of you who were asking, because I do it on live sometimes, but you guys aren't always there, and so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.